Curio Vlogmas, another day of homeschool fun. Today we're chatting about movement, all right? Everybody lift up a wrist where you have something attached to it. I've got a garment that I just use to track my workouts and stuff like that, but it also tracks my steps. Now, if you have something that tracks your steps as well, you will probably recall a moment where you were looking at it and you were like, wow, I have not moved pretty much all day. Like you were just stuck at your desk working on something, you're just sedentary, right? That is something that we don't want for our kids. Now, kids naturally much more inclined to just get up and run around, right? But I love the fact that we have the chance as homeschoolers to get them moving in their work, right? They don't even have to just sit and use a pencil and paper. So I've got a few things. I just ran around. This used to be our schoolroom. We do most of our schoolwork downstairs now. But I ran around kind of our fun, crafty area where a lot of this is kept. And so the first thing I want to show you is our big chalk bucket, all right? This is not fancy chalk, just that big container that we got maybe 2 years ago for Christmas. So thank you, Mom and Dad. But sidewalk chalk, super simple. If you've got a kiddo who just needs to move, give them some sidewalk chalk, do their spelling words, do some math work, have them draw an example. Get picture friendly, I don't know. Get drawing friendly with their schoolwork. This is gonna make it way more fun for them and get them moving, get them stretching, get them outside in the fresh air and sunshine. So. Sidewalk chalk. The other one is just a quick brain break. Now there are lots of like videos that you could do and stuff like that, but again, the idea is to like get outside away from a screen or a chair or whatever inside your house. So obviously use those if you've got some weather situation, but one of our kids loves her rollerblades. Okay, so this is just a really quick way. We've got a little space here outside where she can do some quick laps, 5-10 minutes, get a sweat on and then come right back. And that's something that I think comes with time, that kids can recognize, hey, I think I just need to move. I think I've been sitting too long. I think I'm just stuck in this. Throw on a helmet, go outside, skate for a few minutes and, sweat it out. See how they're feeling afterward. One of our other kids loves basketball. And so we've got a very well-used, well-loved kid basketball hoop outside, and he just stands there shooting threes. I don't know. Again, this is one of those brain break kind of things where he just says, hey, I'm done. I need to go shoot, or we'll use a timer. And we'll just say, hey, 5 minutes of shooting practice, and then you need to come back and get started on your next thing. Great. So, challenge for the day, get kids outside, get them moving. Take the schoolwork outside if you can. If the weather is not friendly to that, then let them just go get their yayas out, stretch, get a little sweat on, and set a timer, and then bring them back in and move on to the next thing. All right? Woo! Yeah, we're moving.